Hello and welcome to today's lecture. We have some new information from Lantos answering a couple of questions of ours. And I want to start just by reminding you that next weekend I'm going to be in Scottsdale, Arizona, giving an introductory lecture on the Song of the Spheres. I still plan on doing the Sunday lecture online, but for those of you in the area of Scottsdale, I should be there on Saturday to do the introductory lecture for you. Also, on October 19th and 20th, we're going to be doing the Genesis Acceleration Program, the Chair of Genesis program, at the Western Gate in Los Angeles. And at that one, you will also have the opportunity to receive your Inception treatment, your Appellation treatment, and your Mission treatment. And you will have the opportunity to receive your Essence seed as well as your Permanent Mission seed. Let us know quickly if you're interested in attending that so that we can reserve a space for you, because the number of spaces in that course is limited. Okay, here are the questions and answers that we gave to Lantos. The first question was about the prosperity technique enlivening the 9 aqua seeds. So starting with the 9th seed, Spiral Fountain, Cosmic Inception, going up through seed 81, which is Flying Seed, therefore Intent. You enliven all 9 aqua seeds. I wanted to know, was there a difference if you went from 9 to 81 or from 81 down to 9, one or the other? And Lantos said, the seeds may be enlivened in both directions, emerging from the source, returning to the source. So that means you can do it either way. Same effect, either doing it starting with seed 9, ending with 81, or starting with seed 81, ending with seed 9. Then, Cindy asked Lantos if there were any other groupings of seeds that might have some of the, a specific result, like enlivening the 9 aqua seeds impacts prosperity. Would we see the same thing like enlivening the first rays seeds might impact vitality or youthfulness? So Cindy asked Lantos about this, and let me just say that this answer is going to be confusing. So don't try to grasp every single thing that I say, because I don't even understand the full answer myself. This is something that gives us information for the future. In fact, it is a significant part of the course coming up during the holy season. But let's listen to his answer. Yes, yes, yes. There are 3 systems, 3 assemblies, 3 patterns of expression for the emergence of the seeds, 3 systems of organization. Each method expresses a different layer of relationship within the structure of creation. One assembly is elemental. The elemental assembly expresses the nature of seeds through the structure of pods. 9 pods, 9 seeds in each pod. When the supreme knowledge of seeds is offered to the initiate, it is taught through the elemental assembly. Seeds are taught in pods. This is the organization which is most suitable for the introduction of learning and for the initial experience of the seeds. There are 9 pods, each containing a grouping of 9 seeds. So let me pause there and say this is how we learned the 81 seeds. If you think back to a year ago, Lantos introduced the seeds to us in the 9 pods, and we started with the 9th pod. The very first seed we learned was Flying Seed, therefore Intent. That was the 81st seed. And then the very last pod that we received in April of 2018, that was the first pod, which is actually seeds 1 through 9, and the final seed that we learned was seed number 1, Source of Light. So this is what Lantos is saying. Teaching people, presenting the 81 seeds in the group of the 9 pods is called the elemental method. It is the easiest, most appropriate way to teach people the seeds for the first time. Let's move on. The second method of arrangement is through the primary sphere. This system is called the spin system. There are 9 values of spheres of creation, and seeds are grouped by way of the primary sphere. One may easily locate the primary sphere of any seed by observing the color behind the realm lord in the seed diagram. Let me pause there and say, when you look at your leaves, the leaves that have each of the seeds on them, when you look where the realm lord is, the background color tells you what the primary color is, whether it's first rays, clear, dark violet, light violet, on and on through the 9 colors. This assembly may be observed on the flying seed through recognition of like colors. Here Lantos is talking about how when you look at your flying seed, for those of you who have the flying seed tool, you can notice, for example, the dark blue seeds spiral downward or upward depending upon which way you're going. Same thing with the green, same thing with dark violet and light violet. You can easily see all of the seeds that have the primary color of dark violet just by looking for the dark violet seeds. So this is what Lantos is saying in this sentence. Even the seeds formed by the colorless pyramid may be assembled according to the primary sphere. In the spin system, there are 9 groups, each with 9 seeds. The final form of assembly is the assembly of the feathers of Thoth. This form is seen most clearly in the golden form. Each feather represents a grouping of 10 seeds. In this system, there are 8 feathers, and each feather looks to the source. One source, 8 feathers. This is the assembly of the feathers of Thoth. In our course of the song, we will cover each of these assemblies. The assembly of elemental will offer the elemental wooden ring to enliven and activate this system within the experience of the individual initiate, the one who initiates the way. The assembly of spin will offer the rose quartz ring to activate the dynamic values expressed through this assembly within the experience of the initiate. The assembly of the feathers of Thoth will present the golden ring of Thoth, activating the supreme golden form within the life of the initiate. This is the awakening of holy vision. Very good. The course of the song will offer the 3 assemblies of knowledge. Each assembly enlivens different values of totality. With the assembly of Thoth comes the enlivenment of all. This is the precious gift of the holy season of the song, enlivenment of holy vision. System by system, all seeds will activate. Layer by layer, fullness will emerge. Yes, this is the precious gift, blessing all of creation. Very good. Very good. So we're going to get more information on this in time for the holy season, the final 6 weeks of this year. That's when this is going to be presented, and we will receive that information along with these rings, the wooden ring, the rose quartz ring, the golden ring of Thoth. As I said, you won't understand all of that answer, but then again, neither do I, because there's a lot of information that Lantos still has to give us for us to be able to understand that answer. But this is our new information for today. Everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'll speak with you again on Wednesday.